prije nego što bude nagrađivanje i uzbuđenje nekako završnice samita, imamo još jednu panel diskusiju danas.
Istina, i to je isto zanimljivo vezano uz ono što smo već ispominjali ovih dana.
Da, Smart City, pametni gradovi, trebaju novi koncept, redefinisanje tehnologije i priprema onakva kakva je potrebna građanima.
Imaćemo to zahvaljujući našim gostima. We will have that panel about smart cities and the new concept that is actually very needed in 2024. We kindly present our moderator to join us on the stage. Stiže nam consultant for smart city and digitization, smart city portal, a to je naš dragi panelist, odnosno moderator.
Dražen Keresteny.
Dražene, vi ste rekli da ćete koristiti naše jezike s ovih prostora. Ok, imamo dva za prevođenje ovdje. We have two translation gears. We can take more for our guests because we will combine all the languages of the region at this moment. So we kindly ask our guests to join us. Dražen, hoćete vi pozvati?
Bosch.
Ajde onda. Sarela, mi
Sretno.
Navijamo.
Evo, zahvaljujem. Čestitam vama koji ste izdržali i najteže udarce. Dakle, prvo da kažem da je baterija na ovom mikrofonu
skoro mrtva.
Skroz, da, na minimumu, tako da ako me nećete čuti, nisam ja kriv. Odmah krećemo s izgovorima. Druga stvar, ja bih lijepo vas zamolio da pozdravite po redu paneliste Tiberiu-Cristian Nicolae iz Bosch Security and Safety Systems. Nemanja Janić iz ISS Intelligent Security Systems. Odmah krećemo sa drugom serijom isprika. Kolega ima ozbiljnu grlobolju pa je zamolio da govori na svom istom materinjem jeziku. Je rekao ako će govoriti na engleskom neće razumjeti ni sam sebe, a kamoli publika. Sljedeći Georgi Krastev iz Milestone Systems. I na kraju, gospodin Georgi Lazarov iz Azitrend, tvrtke iz Rumunije. Poštovanje, dobrodošli. If you need translation, you have here. Once more, please. Ako bude mogu se predstavim u jednoj rečenici, ja dolazim iz Varaždina, iz Hrvatske, to je jedan mali grad blizu Zagreba, konzultant sam za smart city tehnologije i za digitalizaciju gradova i urednik portala Pametni gradovi, koliko ja znam, jedinog portala na ovim prostorima koji se bavi samo smart city tehnologijama. Za početak bi rekao jednu definiciju koju ćemo, nadam se da ćemo se na kraju složiti svi zajedno, panelisti, da je izuzetno važna i da tehnologija treba biti u prvom smislu prijatelj gradova i građana, a nakon toga, ne daj Bože, da se koristi za nekakvu represiju ili nešto slično. Kaže definicija koja je meni osobno najdraža, da je pametan grad orijentiran na dobrobit građana, koncept urbanog razvoja koji koristi napredne tehnologije, poput IoT, podataka u stvarnom vremenu, i umjetne inteligencije kako bi poboljšao kvalitetu života stanovnika. Dakle, tehnologija u službi građana. Ja bih za početak molio, evo počet ćemo sa gospodinom Georgijem Krastevom. Milestone Systems je osnovan prije 25 godina kao tvrtka za softversko video upravljanje. Od samog početka svog poslovnog puta pozicionirate se na tržištu kao otvorena platforma. Što to zapravo znači za vaše kupce, za investitore u vaša rješenja, za korisnike, a što to znači zapravo za javnost i građane unutar Smart City rješenja u kojima implementirate vašu tehnologiju? Izvolite.
Okay, it will be hard speaking. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
You can introduce yourself and your company, of course.
Okay, thank you. My name is Georgi. I'm from Bulgaria. I'm responsible for the local market plus several other countries in the Eastern Europe. I joined to Milestone almost 5 years ago, and I bring with me more than 25, probably 26 years already sales experience, especially in the technology sales. Milestone is a company operating in video management and already data management software, established 25 years ago, with a main idea to be open platform and producing software and platform to manage video signals. And now, in these days, we already can say that except the video, we can manage also the integration with different vendors, plus different sensors, let's say, everything what is IP based, because the technology become more advanced and more advanced. So we also need to follow these trends, and step by step, slowly, we change our vision and focus not only to the video management, but as I said, to the video and data management. This is what I can say as a beginning.
But, sorry. Što to zapravo open platforma znači za vaša smart city rješenja, i budući da je tema smart city tehnologije u službi građana, kako možete opisati vaša rješenja i kako, na koji način unutar smart city-a donose benefite građana?
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. First, we need to consider what's the authority understand about the smart city, how this is the vision of the authority. Using the Milestone like open platform, it's easy to integrate the different subsystem which serving into the city. We need to consider the city like ecosystem, because this is something that it's we mentioned several times during the presentation before. We need to consider the city like ecosystem, which it's combination between many subsystems inside to the city, with different verticals like transport system, for example, like a public place, etc. How Milestone will operate? Usually, Milestone can be used like umbrella platform, let's say, on this way. And we allows to authorities and operators to first to integrate the different, as I mentioned, subsystems, like traffic lights, for example, like sensors who actually measuring the quality of the air, or video signals coming from the public areas, and the operators establish and build a central place for monitoring of the city. It's easy to manage monitoring different KPIs, let's say, on this way, or different aspects of the life, and it allows them to take necessary action immediately. For example, if the traffic jam on the main road, let's say, is it's too heavy in, let's say, in 5 o'clock afternoon, so then the operators easy to first to monitoring this, second to see that this is traffic jam, then allows them to take the necessary action to change the flow, the car flow, etc. So we can say Milestone is serving on the citizens in order to make life easy based on the solutions and based on the decision which taken from the operators and authorities. So this is what we can do.
You're serving the cities, and through the cities you're serving
to the citizens.
Yes. So Georgi Lazarov from Azitrend from Romania, one two sentence about your company, and first question for you. Vaše su security rješenja orijentirana na vladu, Ministarstvo unutarnjih poslova, više ste orijentirani za sada na rumunjsko tržište, ali naravno gledate kako će se proširiti na ostatak Europe. Pružate usluge organiziranog prijevoza, manje problema u prometu, manje zagađenja u gradovima i tako dalje. Kako vaše rješenja posebno utiču na kvalitetu života u gradovima i građana unutar njih i što nam možete reći o vašim rješenjima u Rumunjskoj, a direktno vezana za Smart City?
Thank you, Dražen. First to introduce myself, I'm Georgi Lazarov, and I'm having more than 20 years experience into the video industry. Use it to work for different brands into the area. Collecting also experience as engineer, as a sales guy. So I was also involved into the smart city and smart transportation projects in my country. So that's why it's really interesting to share my thoughts, not only for Azitrend brand, but also the concept for smart city, how it helps, because it is not only video surveillance, it is a complex, as Georgi, my colleague from Milestone said, it is an ecosystem, but an ecosystem for smart water, smart energy, smart buildings. So it is not only smart video surveillance. Yes, of course, we have this, every brand here is providing some smart features that protect the citizens, make the city more safe. But basically, the customers benefit from this solution, having more smart feature and better control on the environment. So in this manner, the authorities within the municipality, also into the Ministry of Interior or other institutions that are responsible for the city's management, they can benefit from the information retrieving from these systems. Either it is a video analytics or IoT devices or other systems that are used to collect the information. So Georgi said that their system is working as umbrella, but usually it is a different type of systems that collect information from the video management, from the smart transportation, from the building management systems, from the smart energy, smart waste, water, etc., where the municipality can control all these processes and can see it either on a map or some dashboard, etc. So how the citizens benefit from this is that their life become more easier because the municipality and the authorities can reduce the cost for the citizens to live in these cities, reducing the light necessary, reducing the pollution, reducing the traffic, and other stuff. So how Azitrend helps and how Azigard actually the software help is that we have built-in analytics into our system that can detect the traffic, can detect the cars, the vehicles. So for example, it is not allowed big trucks to pass through the center of the city or specific hours to be empty the streets inside of the center. Many cities apply this strategy to free the center from cars, from vehicles. Yes. And this can be informed to the, actually reported to the authorities that there is penetration of these rules.
Samo kratko, kad ste već spomenuli podatke, dakle, da li, kako je stanje u Rumunjskoj? Da li gradovi cijene podatke koje dobivaju od tehnologije? Da li da ih koriste da bi mjerili nešto prije i poslije? Ili je to nekako na margini?
So basically every company have different strategy, but usually this come from some Euro funds in our region. And the Euro funds also depend on the municipality contract with the system integrator who usually implements such systems. They can use the system either as a capital investment or as operational cost like services, system as a service that become more and more popular nowadays. Many producers start provide this functionality, not functionality, but these payment terms where the customer can use the system, but not pay in advance the entire cost. It's just to sign a contract like a leasing or like operational cost that can be shared for the next 5 years, 10 years, or whatever is the period.
Thanks. Nemanja, ako bude išlo, evo, Nemanja, predstavljate Intelligent Security Systems, globalnog lidera u video analitici tehnologiji, dakle, to oni sami govore o sebi, nadzora utemeljenog na umjetnoj inteligenciji. Vaša rečenica se koriste diljem svijeta u Smart City projektima. Čitao sam da imate stvarno jako velike reference u tom dijelu. Kako vaša kompanija već u nekakvom startnom dijelu razvoja gledan i uključuje nekakve elemente koji osiguravaju sigurna i transparentna rješenja za gradove, a posredno i za građanje. Naravno, koliko vam je zapravo to kao kompaniji važno? I naravno, predstavite sebe i vašu kompaniju u rečenici dvije.
Da, svima dobar dan. Zovem se Nemanja Janić, ja sam direktor po implementationu softverskih rješenja po cijelom svetu i sad u principu po našem regionu. Naša kompanija već 29 godina se bavi video management sistemom i u zadnjih 10-15 godina jako puno razvijamo sisteme intelektualne pomoći građanima u svim segmentima. Najviše u principu pomažemo državama, gradovima da s pomoću video analize i video analitike obezbede bezopasan život građanima. Znači, u svakoj državi, u svakom gradu to je neki svoj pristupak koji zavisi od problema bilo koje države. Ako govorimo o Latinskoj Americi, to je, na primjer, kidnapovanje djece, ubistvo i toga sve ostalog. Ako se gleda Evropa, to su više rješenja, tako nazvam, smart city-a koji pomažu, kako su kolege rekle, da upravljamo trafikom, gledamo kad nešto ne radi, semafori, šaljamo signale gradu da treba da se brzo to popravi, gdje je gužva, gdje semafori nepravilno rade, gdje se zbog nečega, ne znam sad, u 8 ujutro dešavaju svaki dan gužve, znači treba sistem da se popravi, da se država, grad popravi to, da se to bolje radi. Što se tiče naše kompanije, znači naša kompanija je jako najvjerojatnije, kako se kaže, u smjeru građana najviše sad i naklonjena. Mi se bavimo baš time da ljudi, ne samo da se osjećaju bezopasno, nego da se ljudi su stvarno bezopasni u svom gradu. To jako dvije su važne razlike, pošto ako se čovjek osjeća bezopasno, to ne znači da je
sigurno, jel?
Da, nije to sigurno. Znači on može izaći na ulicu i misli da je sve ok, a mi radimo tako da je to stvarno će biti ok. To je u principu najvjerojatnije.
Samo još malo ako možete objasniti na koji način već kod razvijanja nekakvog, u početnim fazama razvijanja vaših nekakvih hardverskih i softverskih rješenja razmišljate o nekom konačnom cilju benefita za gradove i građane. Znači transparentnost, cyber security, sigurni podaci, naročito fizičkih osoba u gradovima i to. Koliko su to važni elementi u razvoju vašeg rješenja?
Mi kao i svi u tom segmentu gledamo najviše to da radimo sa svima, znači kako su kolege rekle, niko neće da ima 10 sistema, svi hoće da u jednom sistemu dobiju sve. I mi kao i svi ostali se trudimo da svake godine sve više tih segmenta kako da kažem, ubacimo u sebe, integriramo u sebe, da to bude sve u jednom prozoru, kako se kaže, da otvoriš i dobiješ sve što moćeš, i video, i podatke sa ITS-a, i podatke iz video analitike i sa svega ostalih poprišta.
I na taj način omogućavate da budete direktno jedino vi odgovorni za
Da. To je služba jednog prozora, kad znate gdje trebate ići da sve radi.
Ali to je odgovornost.
Da, velika odgovornost.
Gospodine Tiberiu, vi ste na redu, hvala vam na strpljenju. Vi dolazite iz Bosch Security and Safety Systems. Mislim da je kolegica bila prije na panelu, ga je pobrala je jako dobre kako da kažem, kritike publike i voditeljice panela. Samo da kažem, mi smo stvarno ovo završava crno-bijelo. Prije smo govorili o koliko su žene važne u IT-u i završavamo konferenciju sa 5 muškaraca. Ne? Tako da nismo se baš nešto pokazali u tom segmentu. Dakle, gospodin Tiberiu, na samoj naslovnici vaše web stranice velikim fontom piše Building solutions for a better life. Što točno time želite poručiti kao kompanija i kako se ta poruka reflektira na vaša smart city rješenja s posebnim osvrtom na dobrobit građana i naravno predstavite sebe i vašu cijenjenu kompaniju.
So good afternoon from my side. I'm very happy to be here and be part of Smart City panel. I'm Nicolae. Have been working for Bosch Building Technologies for 9 years. I'm located in Bucharest, Romania, and I would say that Smart City is one of our top domain vertical in Bosch, not only in security and safety business, but also in other domains, because we are developing technologies, hardware and software, which are part of a smart city ecosystem. Before talking about our sustainable solutions and products and how these technologies are, really supporting this smart city, serve this ecosystem, I would like to mention that the most important, because we are also part of an event, the most important smart city event in Europe will take place first week of November in Barcelona. So smart city topic is really important, and this topic, especially in Europe for municipalities, has a wide range and priority also from European Union to be funded, and there are different type of funds which are supporting European Union countries to invest in smart city technology in a better quality of life of citizens, and technologies who are supporting these technologies. Concerning sustainability, of our solutions and products, and which are also related to smart city. Now more and more also European Union has launched new regulations, new certificates, ECD certificates. We in Bosch, we are investing and supporting the sustainable environment, and for green energy consumption, for green products which are produced in our factories, and also for circular economy. And by being involved in circular economy, we are investing a lot in recycling spare parts of different components which are used for our technologies, and we also extended the lifetime of our especially hardware solution for better life in our let's say vision means solutions and services and sensors which are supporting the ecosystem and the municipality, because smart city is mainly about big, mid-size or small municipalities to have a better, air quality, in their municipality, to have better traffic conditions, to reach easier different kind of data and information which are very useful for a citizen, to just simply to move from A point to B point, from north to south. These are I must say now simple technologies that are already in place, implemented. We have different use cases where a simple citizen, can access this data on a mobile terminal or in their bus station or tram station, and you can easily have input about the time that you will spend in traffic. Besides that, we are also, as we are developing and producing a lot of sensors, our smart city component is supporting a lot this intelligent traffic systems. And here we can talk about different sensors, video, parking sensors, software, which are coming from automotive, and this can help a lot citizens and municipalities.
Okay, thanks. Gospodine Krastev, kako mjerite uspješnost implementacije vaših security i smart city rješenja? KPI and projects you manage in other countries and all over the world?
Usually, different city authorities into the city, they have a different KPIs. This is depend on the authority or the, let's say, city council, mayor, police department, whatever. So, yeah, but in generally, we can say that the common between small, mid-size, big city, all of them try to fight with, let's say, traffic jam, try to fight with crime and car thefts, etc. So this is a common fields what they try to fight together. So, for example, that we can say we personally, like Milestone, haven't such data because this is something that end users need to store, keep it, and measure it on a daily base, weekly base, monthly base. Then using this data is based on their depends on them how to what changes need to be done, what steps need to be taken. But for example, what we have and what was shared with us, it's one of our customer. It's Katowice city in Poland, where
Yes, you mentioned that.
Where implementing the Milestone solution plus additional analytics that they use for their city decrease their KPIs or their percentage of the crimes between 10 to 35%. So this is what we got it. So when I say KPIs, again, this depends on the authorities and what they measure.
But you agree before and after is really important.
Yeah, before and after. Usually
Yes.
it should be before and after.
So thank you. So we have a little piece of time. Just quick. Kako mjerite uspješnost, gospodine Lazarov? Na koji način su vaša rješenja štite privatnost građana? Koliko vam je to kao kompaniji bitno? Na koji način osiguravate transparentnost u prikupljanju i korištenju podataka? U par rečenica.
Okay, sorry, maybe I didn't understand everything, but I will try to reply. So basically, our platform in Azitrend, as I said, it is a part of the smart city concept, and we provide the video management plus analytics that are based on shape of the form of the object. So we can detect persons, we can detect vehicles, we can give a statistic to the municipality owners about the traffic, either into the pedestrian area or into the streets. So in this way, the municipality, who is the owner of the system, retrieve this information and can give a map to the citizens to understand where is the biggest traffic jam, or where is some accidents, or where is some even accidents between the people that should be avoided, protests or something else. And you said about transparency. This part I didn't understand properly. So transparent for whom? For which?
For transparency of the data in
the
the cities and to the cities to the citizens.
Okay. So basically,
who and how can use the data?
Also in the same manner as Milestone, the colleague from Milestone said that they can collect data and to do a data management. We can do the same. So we can do automation of this data and base it on some limits to do some actions. So this information can be visible into the application that the municipality owner or the authorities use, but also the citizens can receive some messages on their mobile phones if they have, of course, access to the system. If the municipality decide to provide them this access, then they can retrieve the data into the mobile phones and to take proper decisions what to do, where to go, should they wait for another hour, because yesterday after the event we spent maybe 1 hour into the conjunction. It was better to have a coffee and then to travel quietly to the place.
Yes, thank you. Nemanja, vrlo kratko. Vaša rješenja rješavaju mnoge probleme vezano uz upravljanje prometom, pametno parkiranje, prevoz ljudi, sigurnost. Rekli ste mi u uvodnom razgovoru kad sam tražio malo više podataka o vama, jedno od vaših najvećih rješenja je Mexico City. Brojke su strašne, projekt je velik. Ako možete samo u 2-3 rečenice reći da li je projekt jedne takve veličine stvarno polučio rezultate koji je i grad očekivao i vi kao implementator. Molim, samo kratko.
Dobro, 2 rečenice. Znači, da, Mexico City, mi smo implementirali, ne znam, oko 20 raznih sistema, 78.000 kamera. Znači, time sistemom upravlja i policija, i požarne stanice i sve ostale municipalitete grada. I neki od prilike statistike je takav da poslije toga kako je to sve implementirano, da je otprilike 20-25% ne znam, ubistava, svega toga, smanjeno na kriminaliteta je smanjeno u roku, ne znam sad, to je sve polako išlo, znači po 5, 10, 15% i sad smo došli negdje do 25% smanjenja kriminaliteta u Mexico City.
Odlično, znači možemo se složiti da rezultati postoje. Odlično. I za kraj, gospodine Tiberiu, malo istraživajući poruke vaše kompanije, jako puno i vaše kolege iz raznih dijelova svijeta, hvala Bogu ima vas po cijelom svijetu i poznam neke vaše kolege u Hrvatskoj koji su redovni gosti na Smart City konferencijama. Pozivate i druge kompanije i pozivate javnost na održivost, energetsku učinkovitost u tehnološkim rješenjima. Evo pa možete sad dati nekakvu završnu misao kako vi vidite tehnologiju u službi građana, u službi pametnog grada, u službi građana i da završimo evo s jednom pozitivnom porukom i pozivom da tehnologija stvarno od začetka bude razvijana na način da konačni cilj bude potpuna transparentnost i doista u službi građana.
So, concerning again sustainability and care for citizens and anything which is part of a smart city environment, from our side as a big company who is producing different kind of technologies, we can be part of this ecosystem for any kind of smart city subsystem. Either if we are talking about air pollution, CO2, yes. Green corridor reduction, because this is one of very important subdomain of smart city where our technologies are really helping a lot a city in improving the traffic and reducing the CO2 emission. Waste management subvertical, where different kind of sensors can support, the air quality, the conditions, traffic, even traffic, by monitoring every truck who's collecting garbage. So every kind of technology, either if it's hardware or software, yes. is supporting, the overall scope of a smart city. What is very important is that in a municipality, all these technologies should be under same umbrella. We see many cases where, and we know all of us that in a municipality there are different departments, different stakeholders. Sometimes they are cooperating nicely, sometimes they don't talk to each other, and they are creating very small sub-smart systems which are not talking together, yes. and they are not, overall, they are not reaching the scope of better life for a citizen. That's I would say that's the most important message, that in a municipality, first of all, the scope should be very well defined, and the end user, the investor, should know exactly what are the objectives, what are the KPIs, and where is the limit for
And
them to
which benefits they're looking for
exactly,
in the end of time.
and to be realistic in terms of requirements of these kind of benefits.
Yes. So thank you,
Thank you as well.
all panelists. Please give them a big applause. Hvala.